Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be doing a quick review on Natio Blush and Bronze and LA Girl Pro Concealer. So if you want to watch the review about Natio Blush and Bronze and LA Girl Pro Concealer, keep on watching. So if you open the box, you will find there are two blush and one highlighter and two bronzer. I hope you can see it. So there are two coral blushes and one highlighter and two golden bronzer. So I have swatched it in my hand. If you guys can see it, there are two bronzing shade and there are three highlighting and blush shade. But the main problem I think you will come across that the shade is not that much pigmented, or maybe it is pigmented but it won't complement the dusky skin. So if you are fair skin, you cannot see it in the camera, but I have seen it and they have given me a very beautiful glow in my face. I have used another product, different brands product, their highlighter, their bronzer, their shimmer and all those, but most of them give me some chalky finish, and you can tell it by looking at me that I'm wearing something. It is kind of artificial look. So actually I avoid blush, especially blush, because pink blush doesn't complement the dusky skin tone. But until I came across this particular product, it is actually not visible, but you will see when you will see it in the mirror that it gives a very suitable glow to your skin. I am suggesting to the fair beauties that they should grab it, because this is a very beautiful product. I think those two bronzer, they will act as a very beautiful bronzing component to your skin, and that will complement to your skin. But for the dusky beauties, if they don't want to waste 1200 rupees, I think that is too much. They can skip it. But I actually love the product because it gives a very natural finish. So then I'm coming to this LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade of Toffee. So YouTube bloggers have raved about LA Girl Pro Concealer, and they have compared it with MAC Concealer. So what the main problem I have come across is the shade. Which shade is suitable to Indian skin? So I have a dusky skin, and I have researched a lot. I went through a lot of blogging site, and I went through a lot of videos, but still I was confused that which shade will be appropriate in my skin, as I have to purchase through online, because there is no counter available of LA Girl in my city, or I don't think there is any counter available in India. So when people have to purchase through online, they will be confused about which shade to buy. By the way, the price of LA Girl Pro Concealer is 535, and I got it from 455, yes, from Havana.com. So you should go there and you can check it out, and there are, I think, 25 shades is available. So there are actually a lot of shades. That is great thing about LA Girl Pro Concealer, but you will get confused that which shade is preferable to your skin tone. So I have dusky skin tone, as I have mentioned earlier, and I was confused between fawn and this toffee color. So I think that fawn is bit more yellow, and this toffee is bit less yellow, but let's watch it, guys. Okay, 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 I think you can see it properly. So it is neither very much yellowish. I think it is between yellow and brown. Okay, and as you can see, it gives a very good coverage. I mean, I can understand why people have raved about it, because it actually hides your blemishes and any scar, not permanent scar. I do not have permanent scar, but most of the scar it hide out very well. So yeah, this too I have come across, and those are very pretty and beautiful products, so you people should go and grab it. At least you should grab Elegant Pro concealer, because that is one of the best concealer that I have come across. So thank you for watching my video. See you in my next video. Bye.